Are you tired of struggling with tough stains in your bathroom? Well, look no further. This innovative Scotch-Brite bathroom scrubber is designed to make your cleaning task easier and more efficient. Its unique triangular head allows you to reach the tightest corners. Unique triangular head ensures stain-free corners. Evenly spread aluminum oxide coating on the scrubber helps to remove tough stains. The durable scrub firmly attached to the handle, providing a comfortable grip and making it easy to use. But what sets the scrubber apart from the rest? The answer lies in the design and the evenly spread aluminum oxide particles in the scrubber. You will be amazed how effortlessly it tackles dirt, leaving your bathroom surface spotless and shiny. Using the Scotch-Brite bathroom scrubber is a simple and straightforward process. Now let's get down to the real test. We will use the scrubber. First, wet the scrubber, apply your preferred cleaning solution and then gently scrub away the dirt. After scrubbed, rinse the entire floor thoroughly with clean water. Allow the bathroom floor to air dry. Easy to hold handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to clean. Unique triangular head allows it to reach the corners and ensures stain-free corners. The scrubber is made from durable materials that can withstand rigorous cleaning sessions. So, to conclude, I highly recommend Scotch-Brite bathroom scrubber for sparkling clean bathroom tiles. And there you have it, the Scotch-Brite bathroom scrubber for tile cleaning. Its flat surface, durability and unique triangular shape make it a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their bathroom cleaning routine.